Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 8T, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this OPPO. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Password and Security. Now click on Privacy Password and tap on the best one for you, numeric, alphanumeric, or pattern. If you wish to change it, click on Use a different password type over here and select one of those options. I will go with pattern. Now you need to create your privacy password. Then repeat it in order to confirm it. After that, set up your recovery email, and when it's ready, click on confirm. Then answer this security question. If you don't like it, click on it and pick one of those. Or if you don't like any of them, click on custom question and create your own. Then save it by tapping on confirm. Remember to answer it correctly below. And finally, click on this check mark at the top right corner. Now click on App Lock over here and choose Got it. In order to enable it, tap on this gray sweater. Now you can lock one of your apps by tapping on the sweater next to it. I will go with Chrome, so now when I click, tap on Home button and try to access my app, icons that pattern is now required. If you wish to unlock this app, go into the same settings, click on App Lock and select the same No Blue Sweater. In order to disable App Lock completely, click on this one next to App Lock feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!